Hope you are all safe at home. See, in the previous class, we have discussed about the 4 basic operations. Children, did you listen to the yesterday's video carefully? We have learned the 4 basic operations. What are they? They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the previous class, we have discussed about additions. In additions, what did you learn? See, who invented the additions and what is the symbol for addition we use, and what are the terms of addition and the properties of addition. And if some numbers are given to find the sum, how did we find the addition? We have arranged the given numbers in proper columns. Columns means in proper places. Like ones, tens, hundreds, like that. We arranged the given numbers in proper columns and then we have added the numbers. The result we get in that way, that result is known as sum or total. This is the concept we have learned in the previous class. See children, today we are going to learn the second basic operation, that is subtraction. See children, did you learn about subtractions in the previous class? Subtraction. This is the second basic operation we have to learn in the numbers. Do you know what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means take away a number from another number. Take away a number from another number. See here, you have to observe one thing. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. In additions, we will combine all the numbers and we will find out the total value. Right children? But here in the subtractions, we will take away one number from the another number. See here, let me explain one addition and subtraction. After listening these two examples, you will get a clear idea what is addition and what is subtraction. See here, simple numbers I am taking. For example, 14 plus 11. 14 plus 11. See, here I have taken two numbers. These are all called addends. The numbers we add are called addends. And add the numbers, add means we are combining the numbers, joining the numbers and we are expressing the result as a single number. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. So, this is the result of addition is known as sum or total. Same numbers you take for subtraction. 14 minus 11. That means you have to cancel, you have to take away 11 from 14. You have to take away 11 from 14. Okay? See here, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. How much? 3. 1 minus 1? 0. This is 0, 3. This 0 is invalid 0. Simply the result is 3. See, this is the difference between addition and subtraction. I hope you have learned all these basics in the previous class. But again I am explaining clearly the difference between addition and subtraction. In addition we will combine the numbers. In subtraction we will take away a number from another number. That's why this addition is opposite of subtraction. See children, in additions we have learned the terms of subtraction, terms of addition and the properties of addition. Like that in subtractions also we have some terms and properties also. Let us see what are the terms of subtraction. Okay children? See, did you understand the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means take away a number from another number. See, in primary classes you will learn like this. For example, see, these are balls. How many balls I have given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 balls I have given here. And you take away 5 balls from these balls. 5 balls you can take away. So 5 balls we are taking off. That means we have to cancel 5 balls from this. We are taking away 5 balls. Still how many balls are left? 3 balls. So this is the result. Like that we have to take away a number from another number. This represents subtraction. Is it clear, children? Now we will discuss about the terms of subtraction. Okay? See, children, in additions we have learned first property. Do you remember the first property we have learned in addition? See, 2 plus 3. What is the result? 2 plus 3? 5. Okay, the first property what we discussed in the previous class. These are addends. If you change the order of the addends, also gives the same result. 3 plus 2, 5. This is the first property we have learned in additions. Whereas in subtractions, we should not apply the same property for subtractions. Why? Because it won't be applicable for subtractions. Okay, children? Why? Because whatever addends you have taken in addition, in any order you can add the addends, but the result will be same. And at a time, how many numbers we can add in addition? We can take so many numbers for addition. Like 14 plus 325. 1786, 95, 8, like this. So many numbers we can take and we can add at a time. But in the subtraction, we can't subtract with all these numbers at a time. For doing subtraction, we require 2 numbers. Only 2 numbers we have to take for doing the subtraction. Okay, children? See here, 29 and 49. Here I have taken 2 numbers. See, in the previous classes we have learned the smallest number and the greatest numbers. While doing the subtraction, always we should take the big number in the first place. We should take the big number in the first place. This is the first rule we have to remember while doing the subtraction. Whatever order the numbers are given, we should take the big number in the first place. See, here 2 numbers are given, 29 and 49. Among these 2 numbers, here you got small number in the first place. That means we should not take like this. Suppose if you take the numbers like this. See, in addition we have started from 1's place, right, children? In subtraction also we have to follow the same order. We have to start from 1's place only. 9 minus 9, 0. 2 minus 4, only 2 is there. And how can you subtract 4 from 2? Is it possible? We can't do the subtraction like this. Okay. If you arrange the numbers like this, first you have to take the big number. Next you have to take the small number. Now you do subtraction. 9 minus 9, 0. 4 minus 2. How much? 4 minus 2. Answer is 2. So totally, finally we got 20 is the result. So whenever you take the small number in the first place, the subtraction is not at all possible. So while doing the subtraction, always you should take big number in the first place. This is the first point you have to remember while doing the subtraction. However, the question is given. So here I am giving you 2 numbers, 241 and 558. Here I have given 2 numbers. These are 3-digit numbers only. Easily you can identify what is the small number and what is the big number. See, what is the first point you have to remember in direct subtractions I told you just now. Always we should take big number in the first place. So compare both the numbers what are given and you identify what 558. Which is the greatest number among these two? 558 only. So you take 558 in the first place and write the places also here, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Next you take the small number in the next place. In additions we have started writing the next numbers from ones place. In the same way you do in subtractions also, like this. And you do the subtraction. What is the symbol for subtraction? Minus. Okay. Now you do subtraction. 8 minus 1. How much? 7. 5 minus 4. 1. 5 minus 2. 3. So this is the answer. Okay. This is the way you have to do the subtraction. So, okay, we did the subtraction. We are taking which number in the first place? Big number. In the second place, small number. And first we are taking big number, next small number, we are getting the answer. So, what is the big number we are taking in the first place? This number has a particular name. The first number in the subtraction is called minute. What is that? Minute. This is a noun, so we can pronounce in two ways, minute or minute. You can pronounce it in two ways. So the first number we take in the subtraction is called minute. What is that? Minute. Simply we can denote it as capital M. Capital M represents minute. What is minute? The big number we take in the first place of subtraction is called as minute. Is it clear, children? Next, we are taking which number in the second place? Small number. Okay. So this small number is known as subtrahend. What is this? Subtrahend. Subtrahend. The small number we take in the second place in subtraction is known as subtrahend. And this can be denoted as capital letter S. Capital letter S. Next, when we are subtrahend from minute, we are getting the answer, right children? So this answer, the answer of subtraction, the result of subtraction is known as difference. So wherever you find this word difference, then you should understand those two numbers were subtracted. Okay children? So this is capital letter D, subtrahend. Okay. So what is the first term of subtraction? Minute. The first term of subtraction is minute. The second term of subtraction is subtrahend. What is that? Subtrahend. This is subtrahend. Don't be confused. Okay. And the result of subtraction is known as difference. The result of subtraction is known as difference. And these are all called terms of subtraction. What are these? Terms of subtraction. Is it clear, children? You have to identify what is the minute, what is the subtrahend, what is the difference. Of course, for difference you will not get any confusion. Why? Because the result of subtraction is known as difference. Only you will be confused for these two terms, but don't be confused. I hope you understood clearly. The first term of the subtraction is called as minute and it is denoted by capital letter M. And the second term of the subtraction is known as subtrahend and this is denoted by capital letter S. Is it clear? See here, let us take another example. See here I have taken two numbers and immediately after getting two numbers for subtraction you have to identify the big number first. Among the given numbers, what is the big number? This is 7,614 and this is 3,402. So among these two numbers, what is the big number? This is the big number. So you take big number in the first place and write the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and you arrange this second number in proper columns from 1's place, 4, 3. And you have to subtract these two numbers. So we are doing subtraction. Tell me what is the first term is known as in the subtraction? Minute. The first term of subtraction is called as minute. Okay, and what is the second term of the subtraction? Subtrahend. What is the second term? Subtrahend. And we will find the difference. We have to find the difference. Okay? See, we will find the difference. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. So what is the answer? 4212. This is known as difference. Okay, here we get a doubt. After doing the subtraction, we don't know whether our answer is correct or wrong. So here we have a facility to check our answer in the subtraction. In what way we have to check our answer? See, we can check our answer whether it is correct or not. The subtrahend is there. What is the subtrahend? The second term of the subtraction. This subtrahend and this difference we have to take. Are you following? The subtrahend and the difference we have to take. So take subtrahend. 3402. This is subtrahend. And you have to take what? Difference. What is the difference you got here? 2, 1, 2, 4. 4212. What I have taken here? This is subtrahend I have taken. And this is difference I have taken. And you add these two, subtrahend and difference. See what will you get? 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 4, 7. See, what did you get? What is the minute is there? The same number you got here, right? So, how can you check the answer? You have to add the subtrahend and difference. Then you will get the minute. If you get this minute, your answer is correct. Suppose if you get wrong answer here, you have committed a mistake while doing the subtraction. Is it clear, children? Let me explain another example. And we will do the subtraction and we will do the checking also. Okay? Shall we take a 5-digit number? Yes. Example. 3, 2, 7, 6, 9 minus 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. Here, after saying minus symbol, directly you can subtract it. And you need not to worry about what is the greatest number and what is the smallest number. Why? Because already the numbers are arranged. The first number minus second number. Okay, so you can take the first number like this. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay? And take the next number 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. And write the terms also. What is the first term is called? Minute. What is the first term of the subtraction is called? Minute. And what is the second term? Subtrahend. The second term is subtrahend. And what we will get here after finding? We will get the difference. Okay? Now 9 minus 3. How much? 9 minus 3. 6. 6 minus 4. 2. 7 minus 5. Again 2. 2 minus 1. 1. 3 minus 2. 1. So this is 11,226. We don't know whether our answer is correct or wrong. So we have a facility to check our answer. This is known as checking. Okay. In checking, what we have to take? Just now we have learned. We have to take the subtrahend and we have to take the difference. And what we have to do with these subtrahend and difference? We have to add both whether we'll get minus or not. What is the subtrahend here? 21,543. This is minus. Okay? And we have to take subtrahend. We have to take subtrahend first and difference we have to take. What is the difference here? 6, 2, again 2, 1, 1. This is difference. We have to take the subtrahend first and we have to take the difference. And we have to do addition. Add the subtrahend and difference. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Check the number whether we got the minus or not. 32,769. 32,769. See, we got the minus. So our answer is correct. Suppose if you did any wrong here, any mistake here, you will not get minus. Then your answer will be wrong. In this way, you can check your answer. Did you understand, children? What are the terms of subtraction and in what way we have to check our answer? So, this is the way we have to do the subtraction. Okay? Also in subtraction. See, in additions we have learned some properties. Now, how many properties we have learned? 3 properties we have learned. Like that, in subtraction also we have 2 properties. What are those 2 properties? You take one number 25 and subtract 0 from this number. Subtract 0 from this number. Do you know what is the result? You will get the same number. Okay? If 0 is subtracted from any number, if 0 is subtracted from any number, the result is same number. The result is same number. If 0 is subtracted from any number, the result is same number. Whatever number you have taken in the first place, the same number you will get here. This is the first property. Okay. 25 minus 0, you will get the same number. Whatever number you will take here, if you subtract 0 from that number, you will get the same number. Suppose 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0, nothing I am taking away from 5. So this 5 remains same. This is the first property. Okay? Is that clear, children? Now what is the second property? 25 minus 25. You have 25 rupees and you have spent 25 rupees. Then what will be the left amount? 0 rupees. So if you subtract the same numbers, the result will be 0. If we subtract same numbers, the result will be 0. What is the result? Here 0. I have given you 5 chocolates and you ate all the 5 chocolates. How many chocolates left over? No chocolate is left over. So what will be the answer? 0. Okay, this is the second property. Like this we have 2 properties in subtraction. Like this we have 2 properties. What are the 2 properties? If 0 is subtracted from any number, the result is same number. And if you subtract same numbers, the result will be 0. Is it clear, children? I hope you understood the today's class. Today we have discussed about subtractions and the terms of subtraction and the properties of subtraction. What is the important point I told you to remember? We have to take the big number in the first place while doing the subtraction. It is must and should. If you take the small number in the first place, you will not get the answer and the subtraction is not at all possible. Okay, children? So you all of you go through the video carefully and